The K Classic Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The K Classic Brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the K Classic Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod and select your brew size to enjoy a perfect brew every time.
Say hello to the next generation of Keurig. The Keurig 2.0 K500 series. Keurig 2.0 is the first Keurig system to brew a cup and a carafe at the touch of a button. Choose a K-Cup pack to brew a single cup or a K-Carafe pack to brew a 4-cup carafe. It's so smart, so simple, so Keurig. With Keurig 2.0 brewing technology designed to read each portion pack lid to brew the perfect beverage every time. The Keurig 2.0 K500 series features a large 80-ounce water reservoir, extra-large color touch display, strength control, programmable clock, auto-off, customizable features to make it your own, such as nightlight and wallpapers, and auto brew. Enjoy 400 varieties from 60 brands you know and love, all with the guarantee of Keurig quality, so you always know you're brewing the best. So smart, so simple, so Keurig.